sorry. So this video may come in like 4 parts, but at least we'll have it. So this is 3/4, okay? This is 3/4. All right, now what I want us to do, I want us to make sure that we know the names of these numbers. So let's say if I have 4 eighths, I'm going to go ahead and practice putting that TH right here. Eighths, 4 eighths. That top number is called the numerator. So right now what I want you to do is while you're watching me, I want you to write this fraction down. Remember, fraction has 2 parts, the top number and the bottom number. This is 4 eighths. The top number is called the numerator. So I want us to write numerator out beside that number. The numerator. That is called the numerator, meaning the top number is how many pieces we see shaded. The bottom number is going to be called the denominator. So I want you to label that real quick, just so you can practice getting that written language in there and those written words to communicate it with, that we know that's the bottom number. So 4 eighths. The 4 is called the numerator. The 8 is called the denominator. The 4, remember the top number, shade, bottom number, pieces, all the pieces. All right, so let's do a real quick review of how we would see 4 eighths. And this time, let's use a square. All right, so 4 eighths. The bottom number tells me how many total pieces I need. I need 8 equal pieces. So first, in my mind, I need to think, what is a number that can get me to 8? What is a number that can get me half of 8? We made it earlier. Anybody think? 3 seconds. What do you think, guys? Let's try fourths. Fourths can get me half of 8. And we know to make fourths, we're going to use a plus sign. So let's go ahead and do our plus sign. So I've got fourths. Now I need a double 4 because we know 4 plus 4 makes 8. So now I need to take those at the top and at the bottom and cut them in half again. So watch right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a line on this. And I'm going to draw a line over here. So now let's check and see if we have 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like an array, guys, we have to have the same number on top as we do on the bottom. So we have 4 on top and 4 on the bottom. That makes a total of 8. Now remember, this top number tells me I need to shade 4. You can shade 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, or you can just shade the first 4 that you see, as long as they are close together. Let's don't shade just randomly all over. Let's try to keep them together so it's easy for us to understand. So this is going to be 4 eighths. This is going to be 4 eighths. All right, guys, now let's get some practice, some pencil paper practice, okay? So I'm going to pull it up on the Elmo real quick. I have to give credit to my daughter. She's videoing y'all right now. She's doing a great job. All right, let me pull this up on the Elmo real quick. All right, I'm going to upload this into Cami in just a minute because we're going to do some together, and then I want you to practice some on your own, okay? All right, so the directions say tell what fraction of each shape is shaded. Boys and girls, that means let's label our picture. Let's go ahead and determine what fraction is shown here, okay? So we're going to do the first 6 together. I really want you to watch as precise as steps, and you follow the same ones, okay? I know that this is going to be a fraction, so I'm going to go ahead and draw my line there because I know I have to have a top number and a bottom number. Now, top number means what, class? 3 seconds. What does that top number mean? Shade. I need to count how many pieces are shaded. So let's get our dot. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pieces shaded. So let's go ahead and write a 3 in the top. That's called the numerator. That's called the what? Great job, numerator. All right, now remember, let's go ahead and change colors real quick. The bottom number tells me all the pieces. I have to count all the pieces, even the ones that are shaded. Remember, we like to do those little tally marks on them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pieces in this picture. So let's go ahead and do a 4 on the bottom. So that fraction would be 3/4. Make sure we're going to practice saying that TH there. 3/4. What is it? 3/4. Very good. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, let's do the next one. We know it's going to be a fraction, so we're going to go ahead and draw our line. Let's find the top number first. Top number means shade. How many are shaded? All right, let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pieces that are shaded in. So let's write that on top. What's that top number called? Numerator. Say it again. Numerator. Good. All right, let's go ahead and do the bottom. Now, you should have noticed this shape was a little bit different. This was a circle, a lot like a pizza. We're going to have to be doing some pizza activity when we come back to school, so y'all make sure you're really paying attention, okay? Let's count how many pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There were 8 pieces, and did you notice I still counted all the shaded parts too? So this fraction is going to be 5/8. It's going to be what? 5/8. Good. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, look right here, this next one. This is an odd shape. We may not see it a lot, but we still need to be exposed to it. Let's count how many pieces we have shaded. Oh, let me draw my line. All right, we ready? We have 1 piece shaded. So we know we're going to have that 1 there. That fraction, guys, I'm going to go ahead and front load this a little bit. You'll see it in the next couple of days. Any fraction that has a 1 in the numerator, that's called a unit fraction. That's called a unit fraction, okay? So we'll make sure that you're exposed to that word so you'll hear it again, okay? Let's count how many parts we have. 1, 2. 2 parts. Remember we talked about this before we left. This is 1/2. That 2 is that special number, so I'm not going to say 1 second. 1/2. What am I going to say? 1/2. Excellent job. Excellent job. Elizabeth, you doing okay? All right, I had to check on my video, guys. All right, let's look at letter D. Let's look at letter D. Let's go ahead and draw our line, because remember, we're labeling the fraction that matches this picture. All right, let's count how many parts we have. 1, 2. All right, there's 2 shaded. Where does the shaded number go, on the top or the bottom? On the top. Good. All right, let's go ahead and write a 2 here. I'm going to change my color. When you're working on candy, boys and girls, you can change your color as well if you need to count, or you can just count using that cursor, whichever one you want to do. But you know Miss Precise really likes for you to count them. All right, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to get in the middle. 4. Excellent job. So this is going to be called what? Give us 3 seconds. Good job. This is called 2/4. I know some of you said that TH. I like it. 2/4. Good job. All right, let's go to letter E. I'm going to go ahead and draw my line because this is a fraction. I'm identifying what fraction this is. They've given me a picture drawing, so now we're starting to catch on. All right, let's see how many we have shaded. 1, 2, 3. 3. I put my arms up because where do we put that? On the 3 seconds? On the top. Good job. On the top. All right, now I'm going to change my color so you can see it. Let's count how many pieces are in all. Because remember, I put my arms down. I'm going to the bottom number. The bottom number tells me all the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent job. 6. Say that TH. 6. Very good. So also we can read that out of 3 out of 6. Out of those 6 pieces, 3 are shaded. Great job, guys. All right, now listen to Miss Precise. I'm going to upload this into Kimi just like it is right here. I want you to submit it back to me. I want you to finish the rest of this page for me so I can check it, okay? All right, good luck. All right, Elizabeth, you can go ahead and end it.